Huawei Technologies yadufashije kumenya icyo technology y'ubu igezeho, harimo za 5G, harimo za cloud computing, harimo AI cyangwa se artificial intelligence, harimo n'ibindi byinshi. Huawei burya hari bimwe tuyiza, hari abayizaho ku matelefone gusa, ariko burya bifite production nyinshi ikora, ifite ibyo bikoresho byinshi, ifite izo nganda zibikora byose. Seeds for the Future program ni program nziza idufasha muri capacity building. Huawei rero icyo nayibwira, yamfunguriye amahirwe. Huawei iragenda ikagushapinga through Seeds for the Future program, ubundi ukagenda ukabamo ya umu IT cyangwa se muri iyi field yacu ya technology. Ari bundi Huawei ifite intego yo connecting the world. Ira-connectinga isi iciye mu matelefone, iciye mu minara yitumanaho, ubundi isi yose tukagenda tukaba ku kantu gatoya kakandi dukunze kwitanga isi yacu yabaye iki umudugudu.
I was among those lucky students who are carrying Seed for the Future program, which is launched by Huawei. So the Seed for the Future program is a program was launched by the President Kagame. Being part of this program help us to understand what is going to be in the future, how 5G will help people to be connected, how 5G will help those smart city programs. In Africa, we can see now technology is at a low point. So this program helps us as Africans to understand how we can use those technology to develop Africa.
Nitwa Samuel Tuyishimire, nagiye mu Bushinwa 2018, tugiye muri program ya Huawei Seeds for the Future. Twari turi abambere bari bagiye muri iyo professional internship, yaje kutugirira benefits nyinshi, kuko yaje gufungura amaso benshi. Ubu ngubu ku bantu twajyanye mu Bushinwa 2018, abenshi barakorera ibigo hano mu Rwanda bikomeye, harimo amabanke, harimo institutions zikomeye za leta. Ibyo byose babikuye kuri experience bagize kuri iriya capacity building yabereye mu Bushinwa, kuko experience bakoyo yari nini ku bijyanye na technology z'uyu munsi, kandi ubu ziri no kubafasha muri kariyeri yabo y'iyi minsi. Huawei Technologies yadufashije kumenya icyo technology y'ubu igezeho, harimo za 5G, harimo za cloud computing, harimo AI cyangwa se artificial intelligence, harimo n'ibindi byinshi, kuko Ubushinwa buteye imbere cyane kuruta aho twebwe turi. Byabaye ngombwa ko experience abantu bagize bari muri China baraje no mu Rwanda barakomeza barayaplika, kandi biri kubagirira umumaro. Ikoranabuhanga ryo nasize mu Rwanda n'iryo nasanze mu Bushinwa biri quite different. Harimo intera, mbivuge muri ubwo buryo. Intera irimo nuko nko mu Rwanda mu gihe tugistrugglinga na 4G, uretse ko burya na 4G ujya gusanga ugasanga hafi iri mu mujyi gusa, naho mu Bushinwa bara advance inzu bageze muri 5G, mu gihe twebwe na 3G itaraba covered mu gihugu hose ku buryo ushobora kuyibona aho waba uri hose ku buryo wakwa accessinga iyo speed ya internet. Naho mu Bushinwa na 5G yabaye invented, barayikoze, bari kuyilaningamo, usanga amamodoka ashobora kwitwara, ibyo twarabye experiencinze. Usanga imodoka zishobora kujya mu muhanda zikitwara nta ba drivers. Ibyo bisaba za internet speed, ya za connectivity ziba ziri ku buryo latency yayo iba ari mu materials mu gihe gito cyane, ku buryo niba ari n'izo information zigomba kuba sent hagati y'ama device n'andi, biba bigomba kugenda mu materials make cyane, ku buryo hatashobora no kubaho n'impanuka cyangwa mu gihe ikintu kiri kwitwara. Iyo ugiye kureba rero usanga nka internet twe dukoresha usanga bakunda kuvuga ngo zigena akanyamasyo, sinzi ibyo bintu mujya mubyumva. Mu gihe ahandi ujya kujya gukanda just kuri, niba ari kuri download ugiye gukanda, ujya gukandaho just iyo weho gukandaho gusa ari weho bitindije kugira ngo bigere aho weho washaka ko bigera. Mu gihe twebwe urakanda ukarodinga kugira ngo data, kugira ngo biza loading bikagutwara amasaha n'amasaha, mu gihe ahandi ho utinzwa no kugira gute gukandaho gusa. So tugiye no mu bindi nk'izo za artificial intelligence, ujya gusanga ugasanga wenda tuvuge nk'amarobo, uburyo robot ishobora kwitwara. Urugero niyo hari n'abagiye bazayibona, ukajya gusanga wenda tuvuge ugasanga nko muri lobby ya hotel amarobots niyo abakira, robot ikakuvana muri hotel muri lobby hasi ikakuzamura muri, ikagenda ikakwereka room yo muri floor ya 13 ikakujyana muri essentiel mpaka ikujyanye hahandi bagize gute bayiprograminge bashaka ko ikugeza. So bivuze ngo rero iyo izo artificial intelligence bigomba kumenya ese ibi mbonye ndabisanisha n'ibyo bamprograminzemo iki niki, ese ni umuryango ni bigendanye n'ibyo iprograminzemo, kandi byose bikaba biri muri icyo bita real time. Ngewe rero nyuma yuko mvuye mu Bushinwa na mbere yuko njyayo hari projects nari mfite na mbere zijyanye no gukora e-commerce. So izo projects mbere e-commerce ni uburyo bwo gucuruza ukoresheje murandasi, ukabushobora gutuma ibintu mu Bushinwa ukabituma na AliExpress kabizana kabidelivaringa hano mu gihugu utabanje no kujyayo, utafashe no ku mafaranga, ibintu byose bikabera hehe, bikabera kuri murandasi. Ukaba wakura amafaranga yawe kuri banki runaka hano mu Rwanda dusanzwe tuzi, ugakoresha Visa card yawe se, cyangwa ari n'ubundi buryo bwo kohereza amafaranga bugiye butandukanye ngizo. So na nyuma yuko rero tugezeyo hariya twa experiences byinshi, twagiye mu nganda, sibyo kuko Huawei icyo ikora irakujyana ni nka capacity building, aho bakuforma bakagushyiramo ubumenyi, bakagenda bakakwereka buri kimwe cyose uko bagikora hariya, inganda zabo, technologies. Abahazi nka Shenzhen ni umujyi, ni nka Silicon Valley cyangwa ahantu hakorerwa ibintu by'ikoranabuhanga byose, ku buryo iyo ugezeyo rwose uravuga uti ibi nibyo byari byarabuze. So ukiga buri kimwe, ukareba aho izo 5G zabo bazikorera, ukareba aho ibikoresho bidukoresha amatelefone n'ibiki bikorerwa. So nawe iyo capacity baba baguhaye rwose nibyo ubundi mu Rwanda tubura kuba twafata ibintu technical, ugasanga ahubwo wenda byinshi tubisanga mu mateori, ariko pratique zacu hano mu Rwanda zikabanye. So iyo bakujyanye ayo mahirwe iyo yagiriwe, ukagenda ukajya mu nganda zabo, bafitemo yo na za university, Huawei University ndakeka muzizi. So uragenda bakaguforma bakaguhereza package yose kugira ngo uzagaruka hano mu Rwanda umeze neza. Mbere yuko njyayo umuntu ashobora kwibaza ati umuntu abafite imbogamizi, kuko nk'umunyeshuri ukirangiza ibishoro, ubumenyi byose yabikiri ibibazo, ariko noneho nko kujyayo ukabona izo experience, uraza ukazaplika mu buzima bwa buri munsi, ukaba ushobora kugira aho wivana naho wigeza. Yaba izo business zarakomeje ziralaninga, kandi n'ibigo bimwe bindi mu gihugu bikomeye biranyitabaza, kandi ubu hari n'ibyo mbere yaba specialist bimwe mu bigo bikomeye, kandi nkuko nayo babwiye na mbere harimo abandi twajyanye bafite amabanki bahagarariye n'ama institution amwe akomeye hano mu gihugu, bazajya berekana uko Huawei yagiye transforming ubuzima bwabo, kandi barahari bose bashima Huawei technologies. Ubu turi struggling na 4G, ariko nibura nayo inimara gushinga imizi n'izo 5G nazo zizaza, kandi turashima n'igihugu aho kigenda kijyana ya technology yacu. Huawei burya hari bimwe tuyiza, hari abayizeho ku matelefone gusa, ariko burya ifite production nyinshi ikora, niyo minara wumva, ifite ibyo bikoresho byinshi, ifite izo nganda zibikora byose. So nk'icyo warumbaje uti Huawei yafashe iki, izo antennas, nk'izo infrastructure zifasha mu guprovidinga nk'izo 5G Huawei yatangiye guprovidinga, ibyo byose mu gihe igihugu dushoboye kugenda tubibona hirya no hino bizafasha ko niyo technology idakomeza kuba iy'Abashinwa gusa ahubwo n'Abanyarwanda tugakomeza kugenda tuyi-establishing kandi ibintu bikagenda neza. Seeds for the Future program ni program nziza idufasha muri capacity building. Ndakeka icyo kintu abantu bacyumve nko mu Kinyarwanda ko ni ukubaka ubumenyi. Umunyarwanda arava hano nk'igihe cyacu ntabwo twari twenyine, twari tuyirimo, twari turi kumwe n'Aba-Jamaicans, twari turi kumwe n'Aba-Serbians, turi kumwe na Republic Dominican, turi kumwe n'ibindi bihugu bigiye bitandukanye. So bivuze ngo rero ntabwo ubumenyi tuba twakuye hano mu Rwanda turagenda tukanabusharinga n'abandi bo mu bindi bihugu bitandukanye. Amahirwe arahari pe, amahirwe arahari ku Banyarwanda bari kujya muri iyi program muri iyi program bashya muri Seeds for the Future, baza experiencinga byinshi, bazabona byinshi bitandukanye n'ibyo bari bazi. So bagomba kugerayo bakiga n'icyo Gishinwa, bakabanza bakamenya n'uwo muco uko umeze, noneho bakamenya n'ibyo bishyashya baturusha kandi bakamenya. Huawei rero icyo nayibwira, yamfunguriye amahirwe menshi. Iyo experience nagize yatumye hari n'abandi banshaka, bivuge muri ubwo buryo, ku buryo yaba ibyo nari naravuye hano mu Rwanda nkora narushijeho kubyumva neza. Ubu nzi connection nakoresha mu gihe naba ngiye gukora ikintu runaka. So niba ntago wafata 3G ngo ujye kuyikoresha downloading ikintu cya gigabyte zirenze, ushobora kuzakimaraho umwaka kitaranaza, sibyo? Bitewe n'ikintu ushaka, uba ugomba no kumenya na requirements zacyo. Ibyo rero nabyo Huawei iragenda ikagushapinga through Seeds for the Future program, ubundi ukagenda ukabamo umu IT cyangwa se muri iyi field yacu ya technology. Kandi ni hisi iri kugana, isi yacu ubu iri kugenda iba umudugudu niko abantu babivuga. Kubera iki? Kubera ko internet connectivity biragenda bikatushyira ku kantu gato cyane. Ari bundi Huawei ifite intego yo connecting the world. Iyo niyo ntego ya Huawei, irakonectinga isi iciye mu matelefone, iciye mu minara yitumanaho, ubundi isi yose tukagenda tukaba ku kantu gatoya kandi dukunze kwitanga isi yacu yabaye iki umudugudu. Nabivuze mbere ko dufite e-commerce platform ushobora kujyaho ugahaha, ukagura ibindi, ukaba wakwimportinga cyangwa se ukexportinga. Amazina yanjye Samuel Tuyishimiraho, wajya ku mbuga zose na YouTube hose, ibintu byose wabona ibyo dukora kandi byagufasha mu gihe usanze hari icyagufasha mu buzima. Samuel Tuyishimiye yose yabona. Samuel Tuyishimire imbuga zose, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, hose hariho n'ama link, ibyo ukeneye byose wabibona. Kandi nkuko nabivuze turi mu isi nini, ufite byinshi wabona, nta nubwo mvuze kamwe wasanga ejo harimo n'utundi, kandi ibyo byose birimo.
Hello, my name is Moga Christian Marichel Axel. I'm student in third year at University of Kigali. I'm studying business information and technology. So I was among those lucky students who are carrying Seed for the Future program, which is launched by Huawei. So the Seed for the Future program is a program was launched by the President Kagame. Now, due to COVID-19 pandemic, the program was launching online. So we have some course online which we have learning on high learning platform from Huawei. Then we have some 1 week of live stream courses which was going on Zoom. So we learn about artificial intelligence, cloud computing, 5G, which is launched by Huawei also. So we take those courses, we did an exam, we assist all the course online also. I feel very lucky to be part of this program because as an African and as a girls who will be in future a woman, we are the leader for tomorrow. So I think learning about those things of IT, meaning that in future IT will be very important for us as human, because nowadays more and more people are using IT, information technology, those Internet of Things. They are in other countries they are about to develop smart city, meaning that each and every device are going to be connected. So being part of this program help us to understand what is going to be in future, how 5G will help people to be connected, how 5G will help those smart city programs and those things. So in Africa, we can see now technology is at a low point. So this program helps us as Africans to understand how we can use those technology to develop Africa. This program is very important because we learn many things about those artificial intelligence, meaning like in future, robot can do some things that humans are doing now. So these things are going to help us. It's really helpful for us because it can also help us in decision what we want to do for the future. Meaning that most of us, we are bachelor students. It can help us to choose in which field we want to continue for masters and to choose a career we want to do for the future. What are you going to do in order to accomplish something, to help others using those technology? As a woman, it's very important because we can see most of people who are studying information technology are boys. But nowadays, ladies, we have those programs of 50-50. So many girls who want to be part of the IT development. There are not many. But if we go through those program of Seed for the Future, we can see that it can help us. Because if you learn something new, you can advise your sisters, your neighbors, your other girls to do those things of IT is very important. Can you take it? When you have your degree, when you want to go to university, what are you going to do? You can take those things of IT. There are many things. You can study computer science and those things. It can help us to develop Africa because in part of those Seeds for the Futures, we have an e-learning platform because for this year we are studying online Huawei mobile service. This Huawei mobile service helps young developer to use Huawei platform to develop their game. It helps us in selling those games to gain money because everything is there. It's just you to go on those Huawei platform and write what you want as a game, what you planify. You use those codes is there. There are some courses which can help you to build your game, and it's going to be launched by Huawei because they're on their mobile phones or every device they are producing. There's those Huawei ID. When you launch your game on these Huawei mobile services, they are going to put it on the device, meaning mobile phone or computer. So it can help you as developer to develop your games, to sell your games on it. And also, we're talking about artificial intelligence. Those artificial intelligences tell us how we can use technology to build a smart city, meaning that we can use robots, those intelligent machines, which can help us in our daily lives. Because in the future, people are going to use those Internet of Things to do more and more things in their daily life. And then also on the platform, we learn about cloud computing. So we have cloud computing. We have those. It is part of saving information over the cloud, meaning that people no need in the future. There will be no need of saving of keeping your file on the hard copy in the office or those things, because you are going to have those cloud computing. Files are going to be saved over the internet, over the network. To be part of the next program for the Seed for the Future, you have to work hard because they're selecting the best student among the best university. So you have to work hard to be among the best people, because if you are not the best, you cannot be this part of the Seed for the Future program, and you cannot allow yourself to miss that opportunity, because it is really great opportunity for us, because you are learning how in other country, in China, because it is Huawei program, how they're using technology in their daily life, how technology is involved in each and every activity. So you have to work hard to be among those best students at university to be part of this Seed for the Future program, which will be launched next year. And maybe you will have the chance to go to China, because normally Seed for the Future program it's a program that you go to China, you learn there, and you learn about Chinese culture, you study there, you pass the exam, you get the certificate, and you come back. But due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are launching it online. So I want to tell people that they have to work very hard to take each and everything they are doing in the study very serious, because it's a really great opportunity.